In this video, I will demonstrate how quick and easy it is to create a digital asset on the NEM blockchain. The goal of this demonstration is to showcase the effortlessness and time-saving task of creating a cryptocurrency or coin using the NEM Nano wallet. I will spare you the technical details since speed is a factor here, but I will provide a link in the description below so you may read about namespaces and mosaics on the NEM blockchain on your own time. As you can see, the namespace or domain is the first requirement for our digital asset. As I wait for this namespace registration to confirm, let me summarize the overall task. I will be creating a cryptocurrency for a country. The digital currency for this country will be called coin. It is very possible to create sub-namespaces such as a treasury in this example and put other mosaics or digital assets underneath them. But in our use case, this crypto coin will be representative of our entire country namespace. The fees associated with creating a digital asset include a rental fee of 100 ZEM a year for a namespace, a rental fee of 10 ZEM a year for a sub-namespace, and a rental fee of 10 ZEM a year for a mosaic. There are fees related to sending these transactions over the network and are currently set to 0.15 ZEM each. You can create as much mosaics as you desire under a namespace and sub-namespace, but do create and use only what is necessary. Now that the namespace has been registered, I will create a mosaic under the country namespace. I will give my mosaic the name of coin with a small description, set its initial supply to 1 million, and make it divisible by 6 decimal points, which is optional. As I send this transaction over the network to create the coins, in some cases the creation is instantaneous. There you have it. I have created a crypto coin for a country in less than 2 minutes. The NEM blockchain is truly an out-of-the-box smart asset solution that can be adopted for all industries, academia, and government. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on other social media platforms to learn more about the NEM blockchain.